Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this gorgeous border. I like it very much. It's so simple but it's looking so good. I hope you like it. You remember this motif on my channel. I shared it one before previous video. Okay, I will put its link here on the right of the top of the right of the screen. First of all, you can, if you like this motif, you will make your motifs, then join them together in this video and make this beautiful border. Or you can use this beautiful border which project, which blanket you want. So simple. I repeated totally 6 rounds. Of course, maybe you want to make it more wider. You can keep which size you want. Also, you can make your blanket bigger with that border. Maybe you will make like me 4 big motifs on the center. Then you will turn all around with that pattern, changing the colors. I think it will be beautiful. I think this project maybe next videos. Okay, note it. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. I like them very much. If you have any questions, please leave me comments again. I give all the details in the video. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. This is the important point. Don't forget that. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful border before joining the motifs. Then make this gorgeous border. I use here cotton yarns and 3.5mm hooks. Maybe I need to make here steam ironing. It will be more gorgeous, don't you think? Like that? Yes, it needs to be steam ironing. Okay, let's start to crochet our beautiful border. If you want some different videos and patterns, you know my Instagram address, Crochet with Gigi. It's the name is same as my channel. Please message to me. Okay, let's start to crochet. You remember previous video, I crocheted this motif, and I want to change it to a little blanket sample, and I want to show you a gorgeous border on it. I hope you like it, and I want to make this motif like that, 2 colors. It's an idea. You can change which you want. Okay, now I join 3 of them together, and I want to show you how you can join. We will turn them to the back side like that. My motif, I turn it, then take my yarn. My hook is 3.5mm again, and I use cotton yarns. Its size is 3. You can use which you want. First of all, make a slip knot. Then put the front sides together. Okay, and get the corners together again. Insert my hook. You know, I turn all around these motifs with single crochet. Then I insert my hook. This is corners 2 single crochet. Insert the second one. Only take front loop. You can see that the first single crochet, this is the second. I insert the second single crochet's back loop. So we will always take the one motif's front loop, one motif's back loop. Okay, grab my yarn. I have 2 loops, make single crochet. Then you can see that it's so simple. Take front loop, opposite sides back loop, grab my yarn, make single crochet. one here, one here, make single, one here, one here, make single, like that. I will come to the second corner like that. I make my single crochets. When I come to corner, I will turn to you. I complete my single crochets. I come to corner. There is a little tip. I insert my front loop, then come to next motifs, front loop, and the joining motif, back loop, all of them make here, look at that, single crochet. Then we keep joining this side. Okay, again take front loop here, take back loop, single crochet, front loop, back loop, front, back. Keep crocheting as same as I come to end after turn 2. We join this motif, look at that, so clear here. Now we will start to make its border. Okay, for this border you need, your stitch needs to be multiples of 6 or near to multiples of 6. Okay, one side I have 104 stitches, but it's not multiples of 6. Left here 2 stitches. Somewhere I will skip not 3, 4 stitch. For example, you can adapt it easily. Okay, now first of all make a slip knot and not start from the corner. I start from the first stitch of after the corner here and make a single crochet. 1, next stitch, 2, next stitch, 3. I make 3 single crochet. Then chain 3. Skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, make single, next single, and next single crochet. 3 single crochet, chain 3, skip 3, 3 single crochet. Okay. Chain 3, skip 3, and make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, skip 3, start from the fourth one, and make 3 single crochet. I will keep repeat until come to the corner. I will turn to you, and how you can turn this corner I will tell you. I complete and turn to you. Look at that. I come to corner, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stitch until come to corner. If I skip 3, I have here 2, so I skip 2 and make here 3 single crochet, as same as I start this side. Okay, then 1, 2, 3 chains, actually 4, skip this 2 corner stitch, start from the third one after from the corner and do it same thing. 1, 2, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, start from the fourth one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, turn all around sides like that. I finish and I turn to you. I complete my round. This is my corner, 4 chains. I join with a slip stitch. Now I will make 1 slip stitch and come to the second single crochet. chain 1 and not count, insert into the same stitch and make single crochet here. Then yarn over, come to first chain 3 space and make here 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then skip the first one, insert into the second single crochet, join with a single crochet. Then yarn over, come to next space, skip the third one and make here again 5 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first one, insert into the second, join with a single crochet. Yarn over, come to next space and make 5 double crochet. 3, 4, 5. Skip the first one, insert the second, join with a single crochet. I will come to the corner like that, 5 double crochet in chain 3 space and join this double crochets into the second single crochet with single crochet. I complete this line, come to the corner and turn to you. I come to corner, make 5 double crochet, join it to the second single crochet with single crochet, yarn over, come to corner, chain 4 space. I will make here 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Turn easily to the other side. Again, insert the second stitch like that. Then make 5 double crochet, join to the second single crochet. Turn all around like that. I complete and turn to you. I complete the shell round. Here 10 double crochet I made. Now I will join it to our here single crochet, Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will make here 1, 2, and 3 slip stitches. Okay. Chain 1 and not count, insert into the same stitch and make a single crochet. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3. We will repeat the first round. Chain 3, then skip the 5th double crochet stitch, the single crochet and the next shell's first stitch. 1, 2, 3, insert the 4th stitch and make here 3 single crochet. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one. 1, 2, 3. Keep repeat, keep crochet as same as. I come to corner and I will turn to you. Okay, chain 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, start from the 4th one. Here 1, 2, and 3. Do the same thing until come to the corner. I will turn to you. I come to corner, chain 3, skip 1, 2, 3, start from the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains this time. Skip 2 single crochet only. Okay. Start from the 3rd one. 1, 2, 3 single crochet. Only corner I made here 4 chains and 2 skip stitches. 1, 2, 3 chains. again 1 2 3, skip, start from the fourth one, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, make here 3 single crochet, again chain 3, and skip 3 stitches. Keep crochet as same as I complete this round. After turn to you, and also repeat the shell round again. I complete and turn to you. I come to the end. This time here chain 4, skip 1 and 2, make here 1 2 3 single crochet, again 1 2 3, skip 1 2 3. Here I will insert and join with a slip stitch, then make one more slip stitch and come to the middle stitch. You can see that, chain 1 and not count, insert into the same stitch and make 1 single crochet, then yarn over, come to chain 3 space, make here 5 double crochet, join them to do second single crochet with single crochet, then yarn over and come to next space. Make your shells on spaces. You can, I make here 5 double crochet, you can make 7 or 9, but also you can calculate your skip stitches and chains, like how many double crochet you use. Okay, you can adapt them together. When you come to corner, you know we will make here 10 double crochet. When I come here, I will make 10 double crochet, same as you can make your border which white you want. Okay, I complete this shell round. Maybe I will add here 2 more rounds. I will show you. You will keep increasing your border line which size you want. I complete after turn to you. I complete my blanket border. You can see that. Here I want to show you. You can see that we join our 5 double crochet to our first single crochet. Okay, that's it. I repeated totally 6 rounds, 3 rounds of 3 chain and 3 single crochet, 3 rounds of them 5 double crochet. On the corners I made 10 double crochet. If you use thinner yarns, more thinner yarns, maybe you need to make here not 5, maybe you need to increase that 7 or 9. If you do that increasing point, you need to increase your corner. Okay, don't forget, and your chains and skip numbers. I made here 5. For example, if you make 7, you need to make here 14. This time you will skip here more chains. Okay, it's so simple. I think you will crochet it easily, and I love this border too, and I think it's so match together, this motif and this border. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.